What's up? Welcome to Beats and Eats. I'm being 5 Stacks and today I'm hungry. We're gonna be cooking some fish and chips. I hope you're ready. Let's get to cooking. Now that you got your potatoes chopped, we're gonna go ahead and start slicing our fish. Today, we're rocking with some Ono. You know. Let's make our beer batter. We're gonna start with 1 cup of flour, some paprika, Creole seasoning, and some egg whites. Now we're gonna add the beer into our beer batter. You can add any beer you want. Now that we got our beer batter, we're gonna go ahead and make sure that it's nice and thin, not too thick. I'm gonna go and whisk these eggs. Shout out to Gordon Ramsay for this hack. So we'll take the whisk and go right into it. All right, once your eggs are looking nice, thick, foamy, we're gonna add that into our beer batter. We're gonna make some dredge for our fish to make sure our beer batter sticks, okay? So get some flour, some paprika. Make sure to season your fish with some salt before that. Now that we've dusted our fish, we can go ahead and put it in our beer batter. Make sure you get the drips off before you lay it in. When we lay our fish in, make sure you put the tail end into the oil and let it heat up first. Let me give you an example. All right, make sure you get a good pinch on the fish. Be delicate as can be. Wring out the excess and slowly tip it, put in one end and let that one end heat up, drop it. We got our fish looking mighty spectacular. We're gonna throw it in the oven while we get our potatoes cooking. Let's get it. And just like that, we got some fish and chips. Time to dig in. You ready? Got some malt vinegar, some lemon of course. Here we go. Huh, it's a wrap. Woohoo! You definitely gotta try this at home. Beats and eats. I'm being 5 stacks. Let's get to cooking.